So the last video I did was for my piece for the Pride collaboration, and these were some paints that I had left over. So I decided to do a black version that was going to be pretty similar. What I did wrong though was my black overpour was a little bit thick. So I'm just going to speed through this first part a little bit. If you are interested in checking out the technique a little bit more, go back to my last video, which was the Pride video, and I'll go a little more in depth to what I did there. So for this one, I am doing a peacock pearl, and after it's dried, I liked the peacock cells a lot, the pearls. I didn't like the composition so much. So what I decided to do was to do a dustpan pour over it. So that's what we're gonna do. I just wanted to show you guys the setup beforehand. Here we are with the colors. I have Phthalo Blue from Golden, Pearl White from Modern Masters. This is Extreme Sheen Berry. These are drips left over. This is Peacock Pearl from BakerModern.art and Iridescent Gold from Golden.
Coffee in a paper cup, the engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me, let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around. Branches low like spiral stairs, we climbed into her maiden hair. You feel like you can really fly up there. My hand in his so patiently, we watched from our proud little tree. We hummed a little song to me. Shake. The jet plane filled up all the space. The wheels went up and got so near, the leaves would fall like paper tears.
So this is the third and final canvas that I'm doing. As you can see, I'm pouring over a canvas that I didn't like. And this is the last of the paints that I had, and I thickened them up a little bit. However, I should have thickened them up a little bit more than I did. I'm just going to be doing a straight pour here. So the first cup I did, I really didn't like, so I decided to do a second cup. So I'll slow things back down again for that second cup.
I'm a long, long way from home. It's a long, long road I'm on, and the angels hear me cry. They sing me a lullaby, a lullaby. There's a picture in my hand of a faded, smiling man, and the angels see me cry. They sing me a lullaby, they sing me a lullaby. If you take these tears from me, I will never ask for anything, 'cause the pain won't set me free. I've been strong so long. See me moving on to a place I've known so long, and the angels see me try. They sing me a lullaby, yeah, they sing me a lullaby. If you take these tears from me, I will never ask for anything, 'cause the pain won't set us free. And I've been strong for so long.
here's the first one. Again, sorry for the noise. Loving this kind of soft look here. Get some great reactions from having those extreme sheen paints. Loving that soft little wispy bit. Yeah. There's a little bit of wrinkling because this was on a previously used canvas, but I'm okay with that. Okay, it's a little sunny out and the next door air conditioning is blowing, so it's a little loud. I apologize, but I just wanted to show you guys these out in the sunshine. I think they ended up really pretty. Definitely different than my normal colors, but just so much fun. Okay, I hope you guys have a beautiful day.